up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maisha. Thank you for clicking on this video. The ponytails have had me in a chokehold lately. This hairstyle is for all my lazy girls that don't want to do a lot. You don't want to do a lot, you don't want to spend a lot. I got you. This is a very easy, beginner friendly, like I know I'll be telling y'all could do this, but this hairstyle is less than $20, okay? And it definitely took me 30 minutes to put this on my head. This is a clip-on ponytail. I left a little bit of my hair out right here so that it blends very well. But y'all, let's get on into the tutorial so y'all can see how to do this, okay? Okay, y'all, so getting right into this hairstyle. So I do want to say that my hair is stretched and dry. I would recommend you do this hairstyle on stretched hair and dry hair. I'm just taking this front piece out. That's going to be where I blend the bangs in with my natural hair. And the base of this hairstyle is this bun. So I'm trying to get all my hair up in a top knot. So this is what took the majority of the time, is trying to get my hair up in this top knot. I'm going to be using the Got To Be products for this style. This is the gel. I don't know if you guys have used the gel, but I had some left, so I was like, well, let me go ahead and use this gel. And I just wanted to pull some pieces out for like the little, you know, curly pieces to hang. I thought that would be cute, but yeah, so basically molding my hair into a bun is the majority of the hairstyle, y'all. It took me forever. My arms were burning. Yeah, my arms were burning. As you can see, I'm spraying the Got To Be holding spray. All of these products that I'm using are Got To Be products. Once I finally got my hair to the desired spot at the top, I am going to twist my hair around and go ahead and make a bun of my real hair. And basically that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and install this ponytail. Y'all, I've had this ponytail for a long time. I don't remember where I got it from. I'm pretty sure it was the beauty supply store. It kind of mimics the natural hair texture, so that's why I really wanted to use it. So I'm just going to secure it with the 3 combs that's in there, and then I'm going to make it look like a bun the best way I can. I did struggle with this a little bit because I was trying to do it how I would normally do my own hair. It didn't work. But yeah, so take a couple pieces out for the bang, and then the rest of it you can try to loosely wrap it around. That didn't work for me, so I had to like pin it down first and then wrap it around, and then that kind of worked for me. Y'all don't even want to know how many times I redid this bun. I refuse to redo it another time, so we're just gonna go with what it looks like right now. I did notice that my bangs were too long, so I am wrapping them around just to make them a little shorter. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece down that I pulled out for the bang just to blend it in and make it look a little more natural. So basically I did not want to put any heat on my hair, so I am going to use these perm rods, and I put a little bit of foam on there to get them to curl. And you don't, because my hair is dry, all you have to do is let it sit and it's gonna dry, and that's it. So this is like a hair grease from Dark and Lovely that I've had for a minute. I just put a little in my hand and rub it up so that you know, I have a little shine to my hair. And then we're gonna go back in with the Got To Be spray. Y'all know this spray. This is the famous Got To Be spray, and I just want it to be like really slick, so I'm gonna do this final step before I tie my hair down. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to take these perm rods out and to make sure the hair is still laid like it's supposed to be. I was a little nervous at first because the curls were too tight. I want them to be loose. But if you just pull on them a little bit, maybe put a little extra product on there, they will fall. So I didn't worry about it too much because I knew they probably would fall. But my hair did lay down pretty good. That's why I use Gossipy, because it's gonna get my hair laid down. I do want to say that my texture of hair is a little more curlier than the ponytail hair. So if that is how your texture is also, then you will have to probably like bobby pin or tuck the hair under, just so that it matches and it looks very good. So I'm going to put some edge control on it to lay down the front piece, and then I'm going to tie it back down, and then that's basically all I did for this hairstyle.